mountain bikers, cool. Okay, so we made it to Timberon. They got a river in Timberon, it's kind of cool. Haven't seen a lot of water up here. But we're just determined to find a really good place to eat. Sounds like there might be a couple. I think we're gonna look for this Connie's Diner, or something like that. Must be the store she was talking about. But yeah, this place is way tucked away in the middle of nowhere. Kind of cool little town, so we just wanted to check it out, see what's going on around it. And yeah. Okay, so we're on the road that we took the very first day, except it's a super long canyon side road, so I mean it's miles and miles and miles. So we're at the very southern part of it that we haven't been to yet, and we're gonna take this back home, hopefully. Just quick see what's going on up here. That's cool. That is super cool. Where's Charlie? Want to go up that? This is like a less intense version of the rim trail. Something tells me that's the very top. I want to just go there. Doesn't look too bad. Yeah, that little bit reminded me of the room trail. to say New Mexico has got to be one of the most underrated, like, just nature destinations, really. I mean, this has been an amazing trip. Still is an amazing trip. But yeah, I mean, the terrain, everything is really nice. Weather's great, and there's so much diversity here. I mean, you know, I'm surprised Colorado is, like, you know, universally known, you know, for its outdoors and stuff like that, but like New Mexico isn't. Given, like, yeah, I mean, there's parts of New Mexico that aren't that pretty, but man, the parts that are, and you know, and all of it has kind of a unique beauty to it. So yeah, this was not a goof. I am not disappointed we didn't go to Idaho this year and just go hardcore off-roading for 7 days straight. Instead, we just did the tour to Lincoln National Forest, and I think there's still just tons to uncover, you know, like, we only scratched the surface, in my opinion. A relaxing, nice day on the bike. We've just been doing these easy roads and not going too fast. Took a highway to I forget the name of the town now earlier, so I mean, it was basically just street bike riding earlier, and now we're just cruising on this nice little road here. We're gonna take a kind of potentially a challenging route back down into the desert, so that'll be our excitement for today. But we're kind of starting to get beat, like, I mean, adventure riding or like riding for multiple days, I mean, that's like work. That wears you out too, camping. But just going out and trying to find like the gnarliest trails in the state or in the national forest here, like day after day for a week. Oh man, this has been a good workout. I feel like I'm in a lot better shape now. And I also got used to the elevation. I mean, that doesn't really carry with you very long, but yeah, I mean, it's cool. So we're at the Dry Canyon Trailhead. This is another alternative way to get into town, apparently. We have no idea how sketchy it's gonna be. Yep. Okay. So this is the right way to go. No, the A trail is super sketchy. I wouldn't want to do the A trail. Yeah.